Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a drugstore back to school makeup tutorial. Honestly, I'm going to say a disclaimer here. I'm not saying that, you should wear makeup to school. Honestly, I didn't wear makeup to high school whatsoever, but honestly, trust me, I literally went barefaced. This might seem like a lot of makeup to some people too, which is why I want to put this disclaimer. You don't need this much makeup. I just did this makeup for people who do want to wear this much makeup, and honestly it's really soft, subtle, more natural looking. But if you don't feel comfortable wearing all of this, then cut out whatever steps that you don't feel comfortable with. But I just wanted to make this look for you guys. It's cute and it's just really soft and more natural looking. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Also, before we get into the video, I want to explain something. So before I show these clips, I'm gonna show a bunch of products, and that's just my favorite drugstore products, but I'll show you in the video exactly which ones I'm gonna use. But I wanted to give you different options because certain things that I might be using you tried and didn't work for you, so I wanted to give you a few more options to pick. I'm really sorry that I didn't have more of a primer spray or a primer. I really don't, I'm sorry about that. But there is amazing products at the drugstore, and I'm sure other people did videos and showed you more options, but I just want to give you the options that I liked. And I know I've tried these products before, high end. I even sometimes prefer drugstore over high end because the quality is really good, but I just want to give you guys some options. So that's why you'll see a few products in the beginning and then you won't see me using them, but I just want to give you options. Let's get on with the video. guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give me a like. Comment down below any other video suggestions that you have, because I do plan on posting more here. And while you're at it, you might as well subscribe and be sure to see what I come up with next time, because maybe it's more exciting than this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Because he's sleeping. I don't know, both doesn't bother me. You got my bagel? Wow, thanks. When your dad brings you food. Damn it. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out. I have a Target bag I can put it in.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo.
If I broke that, I'm going to have a fit. Okay. Retake. That's the end. I wonder if my boyfriend can hear me. Like, he's out there on his iPad and I'm not sure if he can hear me, but if he can hear me, hey babe.